Never use ginger if you have any of these conditions. It can cause serious health problems. Ginger is a flowering plant, native to China, and it is considered to be one of the healthiest herbs on the planet. Its scientific name is Zingiber officinal and is a member of the family Zingiberaceae. It is extremely high in nutrients and bioactive compounds and thus has a beneficial effect on the entire body, and it can be used in both cooking and medicine. Due to the fact that it is especially effective in the case of ailments with the digestive system, it is considered to be a cure for everything. The high amounts of enzymes in its content help the decomposing and digestion of food and detoxification of the body. However, despite the fact that it is useful in the case of countless health issues and conditions, ginger is not recommended in the following cases. 1. Blood disorders. This root boosts the blood flow and stimulates circulation, so it is beneficial in the case of obesity, diabetes, Raynaud's disease, or peripheral artery disease, but should be avoided by people who suffer from hemophilia. This is a genetic disorder in which the clotting ability of the blood is reduced, meaning that even a small bleeding injury can lead to death. Therefore, ginger can neutralize the effects of the medications used in this case and might aggravate the situation and cause deadly hemorrhaging. 2. Certain types of medications. People who take high blood pressure or diabetes medications belong to the special risk group, as ginger can change their effects on the body. The combinations of ginger with anticoagulants, beta blockers, or insulin drugs can be extremely harmful. Namely, ginger stimulates blood thinning and reduces blood pressure, and these properties lower the effects of these medications. 3. Underweight people. In case you need to gain some weight, you should not consume ginger nor take ginger-based supplements, as this root is high in fibers and raises the pH of the stomach and stimulates digestive enzymes. Therefore, it leads to fat burning and lowers the cravings for food, and might lead to weight loss, menstrual irregularities, hair loss, and poor muscle mass. 4. Pregnancy. Ginger is abundant in stimulants which support muscle health and help digestion. However, its use during pregnancy might lead to premature contractions and preterm labors. Note that its use is especially forbidden in the last trimester of pregnancy. Also, consider the fact that it inhibits the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and dietary iron. Yet, you can use it in small amounts as it effectively alleviates morning sickness, but make sure you consult your doctor beforehand. 5. Ginger substitutes. In case you belong to some of the groups of people mentioned above, you can substitute ginger with sweet peppers, cayenne pepper, or red paprika. Zingiberaceae, a world-famous nutritionist, claims that the effects of peppers are similar to the ones of ginger. You can consume red paprika if you love spicy foods, or sweet peppers if you don't. You can prepare cleaning drinks by adding these to your lemonade.